Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Trust Wallet. First, download the official Trust Wallet application from your mobile device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and choose to create a new wallet. You will be given a 12-word recovery phrase. Write this down carefully and store it in a very safe, private place. This phrase is your only way to restore your funds if you lose your device, so keep it absolutely secret. Sending and receiving cryptocurrency with Trust Wallet is straightforward. To receive funds, simply tap the Receive button, select the desired cryptocurrency, and copy your unique wallet address. Share this address with the sender. To send, tap Send, paste the recipient's address, enter the amount, and review the network fee. Always double-check the address before confirming, as transactions are irreversible. Most transactions complete in just a few minutes. Trust Wallet also allows you to swap and stake your digital assets. The swap feature lets you exchange one cryptocurrency for another without leaving the app, supporting hundreds of different tokens. Staking is a way to earn passive income by locking up certain cryptocurrencies to support network operations. You can typically earn annual rewards ranging from 5% to 15%, depending on the asset and network conditions. It's a great way to grow your holdings. Security is paramount when using any crypto wallet. Your 12-word recovery phrase is the most critical piece of information. Never share it or store it digitally. Enable all available security features, such as a strong passcode, fingerprint, or Face ID, to protect your app. Always be vigilant against scams and phishing attempts, as Trust Wallet will never ask for your recovery phrase. Remember, you are responsible for your own security, protecting your assets among over 10 million global users.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.